Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some vegan coconut and date pancakes, so stick around if you would like to see how to make those. As always, subscribe if you want to and stay tuned. I will also leave the recipe linked in the description. So we're going to start by taking out a large bowl, or a small bowl depending on what size you would like to make. And we're going to add in our flour, gluten-free flour or normal flour if you are not sensitive to gluten, and our baking soda. And then some coconut. This is optional, you can add coconut or no coconut, it depends on personal preference. Now we're going to add in our water and just whisk that to combine. Add in your oil, and stir that in. This recipe is super quick and easy, so make it when you just need a quick simple breakfast or just a snack if you would like a pancake snack. And next we're going to add in our date syrup. This is also optional, but I would recommend it because it really adds to the flavour and it sweetens the pancakes without using sugar. You can also use honey for this if you would like to. Whisk that in, make sure it's all the way combined, and now we're just going to cook these. Take out a non-stick fry pan and oil it so that the pancakes don't stick. Add in a couple spoons of the mixture to the pan. This makes about 6 small pancakes, or 2 big pancakes. You can make these however size you want, but I like making small pancakes. When these start to bubble on top, flip them with a spatula. They will be very fluffy because of the baking soda. Now we're going to take them off the stove and serve them up.